Yeah. Bronze. A 4-part mixture of water, vinegar, flour, and salt.
We're in the sling.
Guys, we're in the water. Oh, it feels so good to be back in the water.
I'm Carlie, and this is Brady. In early 2020, we sold our house and most of our possessions and took our first big leap into living our vagabond dreams. We recently hiked 800 miles of the Appalachian Trail, and now we are purchasing a sailboat to start sailing around the world, all while capturing a creative journal of the journey. We hope to inspire you to live your own dreams. Subscribe, and thanks for watching. Good morning. It is Pi Day. It's March 14th, 3.14. And yeah, it's early morning. It's Sunday. We leave the dock tomorrow, finally. Question is, will we be ready? The answer to that is no, but we'll be as ready as we can be. Brady is currently already hard at work. He's working on building a semi-frame thing for our rigid panels, and then installing the rigid panels. They've got to be installed before we leave because it is really hard to do anything on the boat if you've got them in here. We stored them on the way down here, the one on the boat, but it was not great and definitely not safe, and hard to maneuver around. They're very large, and with two of them, yeah. So he is already hard at work doing that.
You get this in, I get this in,
Right.
we're going to turn it flat.
Right.
He's tall, so he's going to
I'm
try to get it,
up
just
there.
set it up there.
Okay.
And once we got it set up there and him and I hold it,
Right.
you can get on the boat,
Right.
crawl up there and see if you can lift it as we kind of push it over top.
Oh, okay.
Okay? It's only about 90 pounds, it's just going to be over.
Yeah.
Okay, can you get it at one end up there?
Yeah. Stand by. Ready? Put my head into it.
Oh, actually, no, I think we'll be fine. Wait, okay, stop. I got this.
These are gonna have to go. Another trucker.
So try to get on that end where he is, Nathan, so you can kind of lift that side up so we don't scrape the
bottom of the panel.
bottom of the panel. That would be kind of like bummers.
How far are we going?
That's good right there.
Okay, I got it.
You can set your end down.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be balanced.
Not slightly. We'll come this way a little bit. Okay.
Definitely gonna have to be. U-bolts may not be the answer
Why not?
because I got a flat plate right here.
Oh, where it's falling?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's not centered.
No, it needs to go.
Then you'd have the flat plate over there.
And it's going to be over both flat plates.
I
It's
think it
actually going
is.
to be over both flat plates.
Yeah.
So,
That's why I said if you've got those fittings that she has,
I do.
and then you can drill one hole.
And I've got the bolts to do it because I did
Because we bought those first.
buy those first.
And that's then you just have 2 points of holding. I don't know.
It'll be 4 points. It'll be 2 here and 2 there.
But 2 on either side. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
you're right. You're exactly right.
And I don't know how to stiffen it up anymore.
You'll
Carlie
have
suggested
to
doing a stringer, a flat plate stringer
all the
through
way
the middle.
down the center. That's it. You just need stiffness.
Okay.
The other thing you can do, again, you're not. It can move like this. That is not going to hurt them. It's the vibration that hurts them. The other thing you can do is run across one up to here. Just anything to keep it from vibrating.
Okay.
But before I would do that, I would put a flat
Stringer.
straight across.
You're right, Carlie. Just means another trip to Home Depot, that's all.
That was already a given. That's an expected
yes,
every
yes.
day. Every day you're going
How
to Home Depot
many
at
trips
least
to Home Depot?
once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're gonna,
I think I could add that.
I think you could add that after it's attached.
but you better measure it first, because you're
Yeah.
gonna want a rectangular tube. Otherwise, it's not gonna have the strength.
Not a flat plate.
Not a flat plate.
Yeah, like you were doing on that other
You
one.
need a rectangle. A flat plate will not give you the strength. This gives you strength because it's got an L in it.
Yeah.
It's an angle. If you got a flat plate, you're just at that distance doing nothing.
Yeah.
Unless it's
They're not
this
that
thick.
long.
What about unistrut on that? You could get 2 pieces of 3/4 unistrut, cut it, and then fasten it off so it went lengthwise, and that sucker would never move.
Yeah.
What unistrut is.
I don't know what that is.
What's unistrut?
I'm looking around for a piece of it to show you.
It's a channel.
It's-
It comes in a channel. It comes
Yeah.
in 3/4 inch, an inch and a half inch. 3/4 inch would be more than enough, and you just put that long lengthwise, and then clamp it right onto your stainless steel, and then clamp it right onto that. And you'd have no problem. You could buy it at Home Depot. It comes in 10-foot lengths,
Okay.
and they have all
what
the clamps, and
material?
they have everything.
What material?
It's steel, and then it's color coded. They paint it
I
with a
wouldn't.
green
No.
paint that's enamel that's baked on.
No way.
Okay.
We
That
use
would
it in
rust in
electrical and
a year.
plumbing
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah. They do make it out of stainless.
But it's
Yeah,
really
they
expensive.
Probably,
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never seen stainless. We never use stainless.
I'm in the water and wastewater business.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, we used it in
Yeah.
the sewer plants all
So
the time.
I think you're right. I would get them set up, but then look at the width,
Okay.
the height, because then if you put a channel down the center, or if you decide to put, you can put the struts. You can run it, and if this is stiff and that's stiff, you don't need V struts.
Right.
You just need one from that post up to that end, and this thing will become solid.
Yeah.
Because the frame itself would be solid.
Right.
You just need to keep it from vibrating.
Yeah.
But you don't, the truth is, I've done dozens of these, you don't know till you get it up there.
Right.
Somebody tell you they can, they can't. You know, so I would do you doing it just right, get these put in there, and then put the next step, if that's not stable enough, one channel straight down. If that's not stable enough, clamp here, up to the side there.
So you're talking about going from here up to here?
Or I'd do it, it'd be easier right from here.
the
Seat
stanchion?
clamp right up.
From this.
Oh no, I'd do it right from the lifeline.
Oh,
Straight up to one side.
So
at
I
an
need to
angle.
get something like this.
Yeah, those are easy to get. You can buy them.
You've got one right there.
Well, yeah, but these have to slide on.
Oh, those.
Yeah, but
do.
you can
Okay.
get them from Gemini.
And they.
They're clamp jaws.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they handle 750 pounds, so you're not gonna have a problem with them.
Mm-hmm.
I buy everything from Gemini.
And I just run it straight up to here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
I can do that. I can get another 8-foot section of aluminum tube or aluminum.
But
angle
I'd
on.
put this in first, and it might be solid enough.
Right. It might be fine.
A channel,
The stringer.
a channel tube, a rectangular tube, aluminum, straight down here. But
So,
you have-
do you know somewhere
there-
besides Home Depot to get that? Because the
the-
Home
I
Depot
buy,
is 4
I
foot.
do this kind of for a living, and I buy all mine. Unfortunately, it's in Collier County. It's down in, it's an hour, 20-minute drive from here.
Okay.
But where'd you get this 3/16 inch L
So
brake?
that's from Home Depot.
Depot.
But
Aluminum.
Oh, it's not 3/16. That's 1/4 inch then.
it's an inch.
No,
No,
the
Oh.
width.
Thickness.
The thickness, it's an 8.
Then you're definitely going to need one down the center. See, what I do with my channel, I get 3/16. It's a 16th more. The difference is unbelievable.
Well, yeah, it's 50% more.
Oh, it's amazing the difference, and it's very solid. So you're definitely going to need
Okay.
a 1x3 going down, which tells you you get 3/4 inch too. That's fine. But if
Okay.
you get a 1x3, you need 1 inch height. But you get that if you put that fitting on, you're going to get that 1 inch height.
I'll get something. I don't know, but I think I think it's a 1/4 inch. Is what it adds. Said I measured it the other day.
Was it a 1/4 inch?
Yeah. I'll figure it out. I'll add something. I'll stiffen this. I'll get this thing mounted, and then I'll figure out how to stiffen it up
Yeah.
later this afternoon.
Okay. Is it coming back down? Or are you leaving it up here?
No, I was gonna leave it up here. What happens?
I'd
if
be afraid
you,
of it.
I know.
So
Is it which way is it leaning?
toward the boat.
Toward the boat. Okay, so we need to kind of center it up.
Yeah, and then it needs to technically go.
Just a little bit of breeze and it's going in the water.
Maybe you have some rope you can tie it down with.
Yeah, I'm going to. How's that, Carly?
Just tie it down with rope.
Diagonal.
Be good enough. The bolt.
But
It's diagonal. Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, it still needs to go this way.
Needs to go to port.
Yeah. Towards the. How much over that plate are you on that side?
right toward the inside of it.
Okay.
Looks pretty close.
Yeah, pretty close.
Okay.
I mean,
And I've got those fittings somewhere.
yeah, that's always the question.
And now you see why I told you before, we always put the angle this way and then attach this to the angle.
Yeah.
You get a lot more flexibility and it's boom, boom, boom. And then you can use those L brackets on the supports going this way to attach to the sides. And it's a lot easier. A lot more flexible. This looks nice.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all. It's not even all right. He says with such confidence.
Installing solar panels is so much fun.
It'll be great when we're getting
Yeah.
energy
we're done.
from the sun.
Yep. It's just
So many things.
so many things to try and figure out.
Yeah. Make work.
Okay. Close your eyes.
Let me get my bolts. Now let's see. Oh, I have an extra washer here. Oh, it's because the back I have several washers here. Why do I have so many washers in my pocket?
Were you gonna stack that one higher?
I should only have one extra washer.
I don't know.
Every time I said, where'd this extra part go? Rose will stop and say, Bill, we're stopping the project now. We're going to take a break and we're going to think. Oh, we don't need that. No, Bill, we're stopping the project and
Yep.
we're going to go think.
Come back to it.
I'm not going to help you a second time. Let's give it a try. Okay.
Hold. Oh,
I can hold.
that's all right.
I have a hand.
Once I get this doodad